Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your community on Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, once you have your community set up, if you want to delete it, what you need to do is first go into your community page. Once you're there, if you have admin privileges, you can go into the settings and change the settings of your Skool community. Now, if you go into the dashboard, as you'll see your analytics here, but what you need to find is where to delete this, and what you need to do is go into billing and affiliates, and here you'll see your subscription and your payment method. Now, as you can see, there is no button here, but if we click on manage subscription, you will see that you can cancel that subscription. Canceling this subscription will delete the community once the community is once the next billing plan or the billing date rolls around. And what you can also do is you can also go into your profile and manage your communities from there. You will be able to see your communities if you click on edit profile, as far as I know. If you go into communities, you'll see a list of all your communities, and as you can see, you can access the admin from here, and that will take you to that page where we were previously, and that is pretty much the only way to delete your community as far as I'm aware. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.